My name is Goodluck Onyeneke Ifeanyichukwu. I teach mathematics in a simplified form. I don't care the language because I have zero respect for English. Once I've communicated, you understand, then communication has taken place. Amen. Amen. See you. Today's lesson, we want to talk about the topic fraction. What is fraction? Fraction is part of a whole. Anything that is not the complete whole, but part of that whole. For example, if I have this as a whole, 1, are you paying attention? I'm teaching you. If you have this as a whole, and I take away some part of it, you see that this is a fraction of the what? Of the whole. Part of this. That means fraction. You can also say that fraction is any number that has numerator and what? Denominator. For example, if you have A over B, A is the what? Is the numerator, while B is the what? Denominator. Then all of them, you can define them as what? As fraction. Now, how do you know what a fraction is? We have ways of calculating this fraction. We have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of what? Of fraction. But for today, let us go into addition and subtraction of fraction. Addition, fraction. Addition. For addition now, for addition, when you want to add two fractions, for example, A over B plus C over D, you want to add these two fractions. Raphael, I hope you are paying attention. I'm not joking here. Pay attention. I'm going to give you classwork. When you want to add two fractions of this kind, first thing you do is to find the what? The LCM. Of course, I've taught you how to find LCM. You know how to get LCM, have you? You know how to find LCM of any number. All right. And of course, you know different kinds of fraction. I jumped that. I wouldn't want to go into it. I want to go straight into addition and subtraction of fraction. You know, we have proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, and equivalent fraction. So that is the fraction we have. But there are other fractions anyway, but that is just the one you are exposed to. So you find the LCM of the what? Denominator. Of the denominator. That is B and D. In this case now, the LCM now is what? BD. Because you are going to multiply it. This is now algebraic expression. It is not a normal way of doing. So have it in mind that if two fractions are separated with plus or minus, do what? Find LCM. This is the rule. If two fractions are separated with plus or minus, to solve it, you find the what? LCM of the what? Of the denominator. That is how to solve for addition and what? Subtraction of what? Of fraction. Example. Find or solve the following fraction. Let's say 2 over 3 plus 3 over 6. Let's say 3 over 2 plus 4 over 2. Let's say 2 whole number 1 over 3 plus 1 whole number 1 over 3. IV, let's say 1 whole number 2 over 3 plus 2 whole number 1 over 9. Now let us see. This is only for addition. I have not given you any example for subtraction. Let us get this first. So I'm going to solve 2 and I'll allow you to solve 2 as classwork. So you pay attention. Any question? No. All right. Let us see this now. You have 1, 2 over 3 plus 3 over 6. What do we do? What does it do?
Find the LCM of the denominator.
Which is 3 and what? 6. So what is the LCM of 3 and 6? Yes?
4.
Ah, is it 4? You see? What is the LCM of 3 and 6? This is 3, this is 6. 2 can go, 2 cannot go into 3. 2 can go here, 3. Then 3 here, 1, 1. 2 times 3.
6.
So it's still 6. So you find your LCM. Which is what? 6. Now, so what do you do now? This 3 now will now have to divide the 6. Whatever you have as your answer, use it to multiply the numerator. So 3 into 6.
Is 3.
3 into 6.
3 is by 6. Is 2.
Is 2. So that 2 now, use it to multiply these 2 up. That is 2 times 2 will give us what? 4. We write a 4 here. You know how we got this 4 now?
Yes.
Now, plus 6 into 6.
1.
1. 1 times 3.
3.
Good. You now have 3. So you now add 4 plus 3.
4. 7.
7. So our answer is 7 over what? 6. You cannot divide it, isn't it?
Yes.
So you leave your answer like this. Now I have solved this. I'll solve one more and I'll ask you to solve the remaining one. Let me solve this one. So how do you solve it? You have this number IV now. You have 1 whole number 2 over 3 plus 2 whole number 1 over 9. These are mixed fraction. So before you start solving, you have to convert it first to what?
To improper fraction.
Good. Now how do you convert? You now say 3 times 1,
3.
3. Then 3 plus 2,
3 plus 2. 5.
5. So this will now give us 5 over what? 3 plus 2 times 9, 18. 18 plus 1,
18. 19.
19. So here will give us 19 over 9. Now this is the fraction. So you now find the LCM. LCM is equal to what? What is the LCM of 3 and 9? Let's do it again. 3, 9. 2 cannot go. The next thing is 3. 3 here, 1. 3 here, 3. 3 again, 1 here, 1. So 3 times 3, 9. So our LCM is equal to what? 9. So you draw your line and put 9. You now divide. I did not say that the LCM will not divide the numerator. It is the numerator that will do what? Divide the LCM. So 3 into 9, 3. Then that 3 multiplied by 5, 15. Good. So you now write your what? 15 plus 9 into 9, 1. Then 1 times 19, 19. Anything multiplied by 1 is that 17. So 19. So you now add 15 plus 19. This will give us 14. Carry 4. As in, write 4, carry 1. Then here will now give us 3. So it giving you what? 34 over what? Over 9. If you can break it down, you break it. If you cannot break it down, you leave your answer like this. Most importantly, once it is addition, find the LCM of the what? Of the denominator. And when you get the LCM, it is not the LCM that will divide the denominator. It is the denominator that will divide the LCM. Then use the answer after dividing to multiply the what? The numerator. I did not say add. I did not say subtract. What I say is what? Multiply the numerator. And this will give you your what? Your answer. So solve this as classwork. This and this as classwork. Amen. See you. We are back again for the continuation of our topic, fraction, under which we are considering the subtopic addition and subtraction of fraction. As a way of recapping or summarizing what we did before now, we said that fraction can be defined as part of a whole. Fraction can be defined as any number that has numerator and denominator. We gave this illustration, and under which I remind us of the types of fraction we have. We have the proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, and equivalent fraction. After that, we now venture into addition and subtraction of fraction. for addition only, we say that one of the rules, standing order or standing rule, is that when two fractions or three fractions or more fractions are separated with addition or even subtraction, the way of solving it, first thing you do is to get the LCM of the denominator of those fractions. For example, when you have something like this, you find the LCM of B and D. This is a algebraic expression. So the multiplication of B and D gives you the LCM. We gave some example of fraction for us to solve. I solved number 1 and number 4, and I gave number 2 and number 3 as classwork. Let's do revision of the classwork before we enter into subtraction of fraction. Please, I would like us to like, subscribe, comment, and also share for encouragement. All right, we have 3 over 2 plus 4 over 2. In this case, since the denominators are the same, needless for you to find the LCM. Even if you still want to go with the LCM, it's okay, it's still the same thing. But needless for you, what you just do is to add the numerator, and that gives you the answer. So, but if you still go that, the LCM of 2 is still 2. 2 into 2 is 1. 1 times 3 will give us 3. 2 into 2 is still 1. 1 times 4 is still 4. So you now have 7 over 2, which is your answer for that. The next one is 2 whole number 1 over 3 plus 1 whole number 1 over 3. In this case again, they are mixed fraction. You will have to change this mixed fraction to improper fraction. 3 times 2 will give us 6. 6 plus 1 will give us 7 over 3. Plus 3 times 1 is 3. Plus 1, 4 over 3. You see, their denominators are still the same. So you just write 3, which is also the LCM. 1, you have 7 plus 4, because 3 into 3 is 1. 1 times 7 is 7. 3 into 3 is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. When you add this together, you are having 11 over 3. You cannot break it down. That is the final answer. Is it what you have?
No.
So you see, you have failed. All right, I'm going to give you another classwork to do, but meanwhile, let us go into subtraction of fraction. If you know addition or fraction, subtraction of fraction is not going to be hard, because the same step you took in addition is the same step you are going to take in subtraction. The only difference is that in addition you added, while in subtraction you do what? You subtract. So for example, let's see these examples. I have 3 over 4 minus 1 whole number 2 over 3. Let me put it that way. The second one, let's say 4 whole number 1 over 2 minus 1 whole number 1 over 3. Let's see another one. 3, let's say 2 whole number 1 over 3 minus 1 whole number 2 over 6. Okay, I'm going to solve 1 and you will solve the other. I'll solve 2 and you solve 1. All right. For this very one, we have 3 over 4 minus 1 whole number 2 over 3. This is a normal fraction. This is mixed fraction, so we are going to convert this one. So you now have 3 over 4 minus 3 times 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5 over 3. Now, LCM. Remember I said when it is plus or minus, you find the LCM. What is the LCM of 4 and 3? The LCM of 4 and 3 will give us 12. That's 3 times 4, 12. Or if you still go 4, 3. 2 can go. 2 into 4 is 2. 2 cannot go into 3, so you bring it down. 2 again can go. 2 into 2, 1. 2 cannot go into 3, bring it down. Then 3, 1, 1. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3, 12. Alright, so you see it's 12. Then you write your 12. 4 into 12 will give us 3. Then 3 times 3 will give us 9. Minus 3 into 4. 3 into 12 will give us what? 4. And 4 times 5 will give us 20. So you now have 9 minus 20. You see that this one is smaller, so it's going to, our answer is going to be in minus. That will give us what? 9 minus 20 will give us minus 11 over 12. That is the final answer, because at this point you cannot break it down again. Let me solve another one, the last one. Out of 2 and 3, which one would you want me to solve? Number 3. So that one says 2 whole number 1 over 3 minus 1 whole number 2 over 6. Let's convert them. 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7 over 3. 6 times 1, 6 plus this, 8. 8 over 6. Now, what is the LCM of 3 and 6? It is still 6. The LCM is 6. Let's check it. This is 3 and this is 6. 2 can go. 2 cannot go into 3, you bring it down. 2 can go into 6, 3. Then 3, 1, 1. 2 times 3, 6. So 3 into 6 will give us what? 2. 3 into 6 will give us 2. Then 2 times 7 will give us 14. Minus 6 into 6, 1. 1 times 8 is 8. So 14 minus 8. Yes? 6. Okay, you now have 6 over 6. Can you leave your answer like this?
No.
Why?
Because
You can still break it down. Alright. 6 here, 1. 6 here, 1. So our final answer is what? 1. 1 is our final answer. 1 over 1 is something as 1. Alright. So do number 2 as classwork, after which I will now give you combined assignment of both the addition and the same. A kind of correction of the classwork I gave on subtraction of fraction. Then I give assignments for us to solve and submit online. Please submit your assignment to 07035010313. That is my WhatsApp number, or submit through Facebook or my YouTube channel. I will also send the link or the address in this video. I also appreciate the fact that one of the ways you can use to encourage me is to share, comment, like, and subscribe. So do any of these things and I'll be happy. If you need also maybe private online lesson or maybe home lesson, call on that same number. I will respond. You will be very glad you did. Thank you very much. Now for correction, we are looking at 4 whole number 1 over 2 minus 1 whole number 1 over 3. These are mixed fractions, so we are going to convert it. 2 times 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9 over 2. 3 times 1, 3 plus 1, 4 over 3. Now what is our LCM? LCM is 6. How? This is 2 and 3. 2 can go 1, 3. 3, 1, 1. 2 times 3 will give us 6. So you have your 6. Now, it is not the LCM that is divided, it is the numerator that is divided. 2 into 6 is 3. 3 times 9. 3 times 9. 18. Good. So you now have 18 here. Minus 3 into 6. 2. 2 times 4. 8. So 18 times 8 will give us 10 over 6. Can we leave our answer like this? No. So we can break it down. 2 into 6, 3. 2 into 10, 5. So our answer is now 5 over 3. That is our final answer. This is how to solve. This is what you have. I don't know why you failing this thing now. Where did you make mistake?
I was used the denominator to divide.
You used the denominator to divide and got what?
And I got 6.
How can 2 go into 6 to give you 6?
I used 6 and divide 2.
Why will you? I have made that emphasis that you don't use the LCM to divide. You use the denominator to divide. And after dividing, you will use whatever you have to now multiply the numerator. I have told you that several times. Now, this is the correction. I'm giving you assignments. So you have to correct yourself. Number one, evaluate the following. Number one, let's say 3/4 plus 2/3. Number two, 3 whole number 1/3 plus 1 whole number 3/2. Okay, number three, 1 whole number 1/3 minus 2 whole number 1/2. Okay, number four, let's say 2/3 plus, in brackets, 1 whole number 1/2 plus 2/1. So in this case now, you first of all solve the bracket. Whatever you have as answer, you now beautiful. Okay, let's leave this. Let me give you one more. This 5 now. Let's say 3 whole number 3/2 minus 1 whole number 4/5. All right, so do this assignment and submit online. While my physical student will submit tomorrow, while those online, please you submit online too before 12 o'clock tomorrow. Thank you and God bless you. Don't forget, like, share, comment, and subscribe. God bless you. I still remember myself. Good luck, Onyeneke. God bless you. My name is Good Luck Onyeneke Ifeanyichukwu. I teach mathematics in a simplified form. I don't care the language because I have zero respect for English. Once I've communicated, you understand, then communication has taken place. Amen. Amen. See you.